Hello everyone, I'm Pranshi Mahajan of Class 8C from MET International School, Mayur Vihar. Nisha Bhanot is remembered as a hero for her extraordinary courage during one of aviation history's most infamous hijackings. The story of Nisha's early life begins in Chandigarh, India. Nisha Bhanot was born on 7 September 1963. Her father, Harish Bhanot, was a journalist with the Hindustan Times. Her mother was Rama Bhanot, and she had two brothers. She faced personal challenges early in her life. Nisha's arranged marriage at age about 21 was short lived. She returned to Bombay and worked as a model before joining Pan Am, the Pan American World Airways, as a flight attendant. There came a day that changed everything in her life, and it was the unfortunate hijacking of Pan Am Flight 73. On 5 September 1986, Pan Am Flight 73, scheduled from Bombay to New York via stopovers at Karachi in Pakistan and Frankfurt in Germany. The aircraft got hijacked on the tarmac in Karachi. The hijackers were from the Abu Nidal organization. There were about 360 to 380 passengers plus crew on board. Nisha's brave action during the hijack saved hundreds of lives. Some of her key actions were alerting the cockpit crew immediately when hijackers boarded, enabling the pilot, co pilot, and flight engineer to escape. This prevented the plane from being flown by the hijackers. As the senior flight purser on board, she assumed responsibility for the passengers. She remained calm and composed under extremely stressful conditions, hiding or disposing of the passports of American passengers so that the hijackers could not easily identify them for targeting. Some resources may say she hid passports under the seats or threw them down the trash. For 17 hours, she assisted passengers, keeping them safe, providing care, and managing panic. When the terrorists opened fire and used explosives towards the end, Nisha opened an emergency exit and helped passengers escape from the aircraft. She chose to stay back rather than escape early. In the final moments, she shielded three children from gunfire and was shot by the terrorists. She died as a result. Her death marked the end of a heroic life, but the beginning of a lasting legacy. Nisha was shot and killed on 5 September 1986, just 2 days before her 23rd birthday. The plane was stormed by Pakistani authorities soon afterwards. The hijackers were captured. Her bravery was honored across nations and continues to inspire generations. She was awarded the Ashoka Chakra, India's highest peacetime gallantry decoration. She was among the first women and the youngest recipient at that time. Pakistani awarded her the Tamga-e-Pakistan or Tamga-e-Insaniyat for kindness and humanity. The United States also awarded or honored her in various ways. Her family founded the Nisha Bhanot Pan Am Trust using insurance proceeds and contributions. The trust gives two awards annually, one to an airline crew member who goes above and beyond in a crisis, and another, Nisha Bhanot Award, to an Indian woman who fights social injustice bravely. The award includes a cash prize, plus trophy and citation. She is often called the heroine of hijack. Her family has been immortalized in the 2016 film Nisha, starring Sonam Kapoor, which brought her story to a wider audience. Nisha's stories remind us why courage and humanity matter. Self sacrifice and leadership. She could have escaped or saved herself but stayed back, putting the safety of passengers first. Quick thinking under pressure. Hiding passports, keeping calm, organizing evacuation, all in an extremely dangerous environment. Inspiration. The actions have inspired many, not only in India but globally, as an example of courage, humanity, and duty. If given a chance for keeping her memory alive, I would like to initiate a Nisha Bhanot Courage Club in schools to promote values of bravery, humanity, and service through storytelling, community work, and youth led awareness campaigns. I would like to inspire others by sharing her story of extraordinary courage and compassion. She proved that true heroism lies in putting others' lives before one's own. I would organize awareness programs and creative activities in school to honor her bravery and to remind everyone that courage and kindness can change the world. Nisha Bhanot's sacrifice will always remain a guiding light for generations to come. Thank you.